I'm Jackson, and this is my brother Landon. And this is Bella, our cat. Okay, and today we are opening surprise eggs. They are chocolate. I got pink, he has red. Mine is named Squish. Let's go ahead and start with me.
What's my name?
His name, let's see, is Rumble. Okay, we will open Rumble after we open mine. Okay, I'm going to start with the bottom. Let's see, let's grab this peel. Oh, has something red, so I wonder what that is.
It's an eagle.
It must be.
It's an eagle, and we got this because
Bella, come back here. Oh. Whoa, Bella. Bella, no. Whoa, Bella, no. You are not allowed to eat chocolate. Okay. Let's set these wrappers down.
Don't set something right there.
Okay. Now I am going. Oh, let's have a little piece. Oh, Bella.
It looks like some sort of
Bella escaped. Oh.
It looks like a money case off Scooby-Doo.
It does, kind of. I'm gonna crack.
It's an eagle, and we got this because it's so. Oh, you're an eagle. Yummy.
Okay. Oh, there is an egg under it. Maybe some chocolate. And then.
Is the chocolate yummy?
Bad.
Here, Bella.
It's a milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate?
Bella's not allowed to have it.
Yeah. Allergic.
Okay. So.
It's almost all done with the yummy chocolate. Hi, my name is Rumble, and I'm a black Rumble.
There we go.
Eve.
Oh, it's melting. Makes it better. See, it's melting. And it's falling. Let me go wash this off.
And there's some at the back right there.
Let me go wash my hands and egg.
Okay, now can I do it?
I have to see what's in my egg, so you can go ahead and open yours and eat your chocolate.
Okay, and here's mine got Rumble, and I'm going to eat. And I'm going to start, and I'm going to tear it from the little bottom, just like she did. And I'm going to tear it like yummy culture.
Okay. I cleaned my hands. Not that good. He is eating his chocolates. He says it's good. And then after he gets done, we will open our surprise. Oh, Bella, you want to say hi? Say hi. Bella, say hi. Look. Say hi. Say hi. Are you waving your paw? You waving your paw? Huh? Huh? Oh, Bella, you're so... Look, let's look at the dog outside. See what she does. Okay, let's... Well, you might not be able to see because I didn't show the window. It says it's too bright. Okay, so I might just have to put her out myself. My hands didn't get messy. Okay, I will open my egg first. Bella, sit to the side. Run away if you have to. You're at an unusual house, aren't you? What are you doing?
Eagle.
And it looks like I have a lizard.
Oh.
So I'm going to put my lizard back in.
Chocolate.
My thing back in here. And it has facts about these types of lizards.
Can you open this?
Oh, yes, I will help you. And I bet you $1,000,000 he got the same thing I did. Okay.
I think that I got the eagle.
He thinks he gets the eagle.
Or an ogre. Or an ogre.
Oh, gosh.
How about get the eagle or
Oh, my goodness. He got squished, my character.
Let me see.
Ew, he smells like dry erase marker. Squish. Squish was my character. I have some of his name. His name is Squish, which was my character. That is cool. Okay, let's put Squish back up.
Don't disrespect me for the lizard, because
No, we can play together with them. Okay, that was it. We all say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Would you say bye? Say bye.
Say bye. We love you.
That chocolate was policious.
Yeah, it was really good.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Try to find some at your local store today.
Yeah, it's
Thank
at
you.
Walmart. That Walmart.
That's where we got ours. Well, okay? At the checkout. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
And it
See you
wasn't
later.
that self-checkout.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
It probably is at self-checkout. Bye. See you later, alligator. Next video, we'll have Bella and all of us. Stand up. Okay, all of us in it. All of us in it. Bye.
Bye.